Hey students, if you want to ace your career in CUET Entrance Examination 2024 and book your seat in your dream university, then the gateway through that is the CUET Entrance Examination of 2024. But it is a competitive examination. So in order to pass through that gateway, you have to be very much dedicated and you must have a solid plan and a perfect guidance through which or under which you will excel in the through the gateway, right? So this is where I would love to introduce you to the powerhouse of Dr. Saurav Sir's classes crash course, especially designed to crack the CUET entrance examination of 2024 biology, right? So let me introduce you why you must buy the crash course of Dr. Saurav Sir's classes. So the first reason being is that you will get the expertise guidance. So Saurav Sir's classes is one of the renowned faculties which is specialized over the years in cracking these examinations and guiding the students through these through his dynamic teaching style in a fun way. So the topics which are there in the biology syllabus of CUET UG examination includes reproduction, then you have genetics and evolution, then you have biology and human welfare, biotechnology and its applications, and not to forget but ecology and its environment as well. So all these topics will be covered under special guidance and expertise knowledge who have already helped thousands of students to excel in this career. Okay, and the second point is that they have their teaching style as to like whatever the very complex topics are there, they make it very simplified and like self-explainable and self-understandable manner PDF notes through which you can study and you can gain expertise in the subject. Next is structured learning. So our crash course isn't just basic mixtures of random lectures or bookish language, but those handwritten notes or structured curriculums which we have prepared is basically specially designed for the students so as to make it really understandable, very precise and concise like notes which the students can do self study and understand the theories which are behind such justifications and principles which are given. Next is that we in our curriculum cover all the CUET sections like language, domain specific subjects and general knowledge as well. Okay, next point is that we focus on high yield topics. So this is a very important point, my friends. So there are umpteen number of institutions which are available who will prepare you for this, but there will be very less or in fact 0% chances are there that the courses will be so detailedly studied by the professors itself and then divided and segregated into certain portions wherein they are differentiated according to the weightage of importance. That means if a certain topic has weightage of 10 and a different topic has weightage of 5, that means the most important one is with the maximum weightage. So the portion which have the maximum weightage and gains more important stuffs in it, those are the high yield topics that will yield you or that will give you the returns of more marks. So those topics are very much explained in a detailed analysis manner. Okay, next point is that you will be getting 200 plus mock sessions with us and also practice papers and past year question papers. Now there are so many mock tests available with us that the students get very much varieties in front of them. And not only there are just past year questions randomly given, but these are the selective questions, like the most important ones for cracking the examination. So students, do not let your seat like empty in that university, in your dream university, but enroll with Saurav Sir's classes because we have limited seats and you will be getting the facility of 24/7 queries resolution as well, And yes, you, if you are not satisfied with the crash course, then you will get 100% refund facility also. So this is the confidence with which we claim our students to excel the examination. So don't at all let your luck flip, but enroll with us now. Thank you.